Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. Trade XRP using our sponsor crypto exchange BITUNIX. The link is in the description below. We have an extremely bullish statement from Dom Kwok, who is closely affiliated with the Ripple team, and he says crypto ripping stocks flat, decoupling continues. So something massive is happening in the crypto space, and that is the great wealth transfer. While the stock market is moving down, crashing, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, XRP, Solana are all moving up. The top cryptos are moving up. So it seems like the money is flowing from the stock market into the crypto market, right? We can see it taking a look at the charts. We have Bitcoin trading at 84,814. We have a buy signal coming in for Bitcoin, a breakout coming in as well. We have XRP up a whopping 6% today, trading at $2.15, as we said, with a breakout coming in and a buy signal happening as well. We talked about this in the last couple of videos. We were expecting a pump coming in for XRP, and that's happening right now as we speak. And with XRP also breaking above the white line as well, guys, we have another big breakout coming in, and this means that we should see XRP continuing to move up even more. And a couple of days ago, we also talked about the 1.618 golden ratio. We have XRP making a new all-time high on January 6, 2018, and now we have XRP forming a bottom at the $1.61 mark. We have 1.618 as the XRP bottom. So as we said, guys, we have the 1% using numerology. In this case, we have the 1% using the golden ratio, 1.618 for XRP. So it seems like this is, in fact, the bottom for XRP, and we should see XRP again, guys, pumping up from here on out. Again, XRP trading at $2.50. Right now, we are looking at very bullish with the buy signal coming in. Now, we have this chart for Mr. Pool as well. Now, if this is the XRP chart, we could see XRP going as high as $11.30 and then crashing back down to the 63-cent mark, and then a God candle up even higher, up to the 3-digit mark. So could we actually see this playing out, guys? If we do, then we could see mass liquidations happening before XRP moving up, going parabolic, God candle to the 3-digit price point or higher than $11.30. But guys, if you guys are leverage trading, please be very careful. We will see supply shock happening and retail investors getting priced out. Now, this is a very interesting tweet as well from BlackRock CEO Larry Fink. He says, U.S. is very close to recession and maybe in one right now. So if we are in a recession, this chart for Mr. Pool for XRP makes sense. We have a recession kicking in and then XRP acting as a solution to the recession, to the liquidity crisis. We have on-demand liquidity offering almost unlimited liquidity, on-demand liquidity using XRP. And guys, alongside with the Donald Trump buy signal, we have another one from the Feds. We have from Johnny Deedon. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. Let me introduce you to the printer. We have Justin, top Fed official says the Federal Reserve is ready to help stabilize the market if needed. So we will see the Feds printing a limited amount of money to prop up the markets and to make sure that the markets don't crash. So with so much money flowing to the markets from the Feds artificially, we're about to see the markets go parabolic again. Guys, it's all about money flowing into the markets. And we also have a big event happening as well. We have a massive delta, April 14, 2025. We had the Titanic sinking April 14th, 1912. And this is the 113th anniversary. We had the 113 number, 13 numbers. So it seems like we could see something big happening in just 48 hours on April 14th, which would be a Monday, the beginning of a brand new week. So guys, next week could be extremely massive as well. And we had this tweet from CZ Binance all the way back in April 12 of 2022. And CZ says, when the Titanic sinks, little floats near get dragged down too, but the floats will eventually come back up if they are untethered. So the cryptocurrencies that aren't propped up by Tether will survive and come back up, but the cryptocurrencies propped up by Tether, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, will crash and never come back up. So guys, be careful of the many cryptocurrencies as the majority of the cryptocurrency space is propped up by fake liquidity, except for XRP and most likely the ISO tokens. And lastly, from Ethereum CEO, he says the XRP ETF was our most successful launch day to date for fund we've ever done. Guys, we have so much demand for the XRP ETFs, and guys, this means we're about to see so much institutional money, smart money flowing into XRP. And when the 1% are ready, this is when the prices will go up. XRP again having that God candle. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.